Do you ever struggle to write a professional email? Not sure how to start or what tone to use? In today's video, I'll show you how to write a perfect professional email using ChatGPT in just 1 minute. First, open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt. For example, if you want to apply for a job, you can write a professional email to apply for a graphics designer position at ABC Company. Mention that I have 2 years of experience and attach my portfolio link. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete email with subject line, greeting, body, and closing, all in a professional tone. Now look, the email is not only complete, but also has the right tone, polite wording, and a clear message. You can personalize it easily by adding your name, experience, or company details. If you want to make it sound even more professional, just tell ChatGPT. Make the email sound more confident and concise. Or turn this into a short message suitable for LinkedIn. ChatGPT will tailor the email for your exact purpose. Here's a quick tip. Always tell ChatGPT clearly what's the purpose of the email, who you're sending it to, and what tone you want. Formal, friendly, confident. That's how you'll get the perfect professional email every time. And that's how easily you can write a professional email using ChatGPT for job applications, client communication, or office work. If you found this helpful, give a like, subscribe, and comment below what topic you'd like to see next.
Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.